a very quick inspection on দুটা বস্তু just for fun. It's definitely not sponsored. মই noodles আৰু এটা light এই দুটা বস্তু ইনস্পেকশন কৰিম actually মোৰ লাইটটোতে বেছি ইন্টাৰেষ্ট আছিল আৰু এইটো it's hot and spicy Korean chicken flavor. Yet hosake kiba Korean bhakar likha ase etu tamne Korean noodles hoy 50 rupees. Oh, it's not even 50 rupees. Oh, only 49 price. To dekhi alopman teneko lagi ase moi ki kinilu. I'll have some noodles with some seasonings. I'll cook it now. I'm coming for a minute. Haro duta koni ase kintu koni tu ete nidiyo. Or sound ko taste hoy. Tetiya leke you see the next video. One friend of mine told me, it's possible because of this kind of things, this kind of light. I'm going to unbox a light. The light resembles a GoPro and I like light to a camera mount koribo pari, tripod mount also base plate logai enike tripod lagabu pari. The battery is 2000 mAh. 2000 mAh is a lot. Kaltu besi gundo nai. Smells good. The color looks really odd. Backup kiman diya hetu moi nazanu. Ulanzi VL49 ekaraman buttons ase. On to tipile hetu on hoy jabo tar pisot yare Kelvin set koribo pari, warm and cool tone set koribo pari. Etia warm pora moi cool tone kori dilu. Moi ei light tu numai disu tetia hale beleg moi RGB keta moi dekhabo parim. It's a diffused light kind of man harsh no hoy. Power bahut ase aru ami power tu set koribo paru. Eta different modes ase. Jintu color lage hetu color ot ami rakhi dibo parim. Blue pora ami change koribo parim. Cooking magenta, red, orange. Product photography bahut dorkar etu. Green light ami kobot use koribo paru, backdrop hisabe use koribo paru. We can use this light as fill light ba kiba alaman color salad dibo karone bahut dhuniya ke ami pisphale rakhi dibo paru neke background to illuminate koribo karone. It really does a well job.
Sam, it's a white shirt.
Not bad. Eduta ki kore? What about this? Super spicy. It's good. Cop carrot, blue and red SOS. So big color, party mode kind of thing. HSI slow to color to change slowly, gradually. HSI fast ase to color to eneke fast change. I'm really fascinated by lights. Red flash manhe dekhibo karone ami signal dibo paru. Green flash ase, blue flash. Eta thuniya eta blue fill ahise. Product photography moi use koribo paru. That's handy. Now I'll have some cinematic food with some cinematic lighting setup. I enjoy, you enjoy your time. Hit some like and share. Jiman share hobo himane bhal pam. Mor target eta ase. Moi jehetu YouTube ot khumaisu aru YouTube or pora back no hobuli bhabisu. Gotike apnaloke muk support korok. And noodles and egg as a great combo. Next video ako log pam. Kind of clicked a picture in just a couple of seconds with some red light. Just click in the mind and how ideas come to my mind. Next video next video aru jodi apunalok support di thake tetia hale koi thake aru notun videos loi ahim. That's it. Wrap up. It is too spicy.